Hello guys and girls, congratulations. We are at the end of the Foundation series, episode 10. This is where we dig into financial freedom. I'm really pleased that you've made it this far and that you've really absorbed all of the information from episode 1 all the way to episode 10. And in this episode, I really wanted to finish off with some key components that you can take away and sustain in your trading for the long term. This is really about you thinking big, having big goals, ambitious goals, but also understanding what are the key